Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create this really cute and colorful donut nail art. If you want to know how to create this nail design, make sure you watch this video till the end. A real donut would cost you a few bucks. Subscription absolutely does not. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free. Now without wasting any more time, let's get going. So this is the first design which I'll be showing you guys today. For this design, we'll start off by applying a good layer of the base coat. If you want to know why applying a base coat is so important, then click on the link in the description to watch my video which explains why a base coat is important. Then once the base coat dries, I'm going to go ahead and apply white nail polish. And let it dry. Then once the white nail polish dries, I'm going to take this nude or skin color nail polish and a liner brush. And I'm going to dip the liner brush into the polish like so. And start creating the donut as shown. So I'm already done creating 2 donuts onto the nail, and since there's a lot of white space left, I'm going to create 2 more half donuts this time. Once you're happy with the design, wait till it dries. So once the design dries, I'm going to take the brown or chocolate colored nail polish and the liner brush. I'm going to dip the liner brush into the brown nail polish and create a very thin outline for the donut like so. This outline represents the yummy cream or chocolate which the donut is filled with. So once the design dries, we are going to need different colored nail paints and the liner brush in order to create the sprinkles or candies which are sprinkled over the donut. So firstly, I'm going to start off with the green nail polish. I'm going to dip the liner brush into the green nail polish and create the sprinkles on top of the donut as shown. I'm going to repeat the same process with red nail polish and with white nail polish as well. Once you're done, your donut nail design is gonna look like this. Don't forget to seal the design with a top coat for a glossy finish. So this is the second design which I'm gonna show you guys today. So I've already prepped my nail by applying a base coat. Now I'm going to apply a nice layer of pink nail polish as my base color. So yeah, once that dries, I'm going to take the liner brush and dip it into the green nail polish and create small lines on my nail as shown. Next, I'm going to repeat the same with the red nail polish. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the white nail polish as well. So once you're done, the nail design is going to look somewhat like this. Add a top coat for a glossy finish. So that's how your donut nail art will look. That's it for this video guys. I hope you've liked the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends and family and all the nail art lovers you know. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon. I'll see you guys soon with more such great videos. Till then, bye.